pleasure to see you again. Today we will start with the unit 5 and the unit talk about the animals, the pets. And here I have my pet, Josue. Say hello. This is Josue and he lives here in my house. So we will start with the students book. Let's start with the students book. Page, we will go on page 47. 47, it says, where do animals live? Where do animals live, guys? This is the topic for the unit 5. Okay, we will work on page 48. Now, we have to classify the animals and the places. Here we have the eagle, chick, nest, opossum, tree hollow, honeybee, hive, and crab. Here we have animals and different habitats. So, there in the animal space we have the eagle. Now we have to write where's the space for the chick, guys? Animals or places? Animals, right? So we have to write chick. Now we have the nest. Nest is a place or an animal? Nest is a place because the chicks lives in the nest. It's a place, so we have to write nest. Nest. Now opossum. Opossum is an animal or is a place? Opossum is an animal. It's a beautiful animal. He's so cute. Opossum. Great. Opossum. Now tree hollow. Tree hollow, it's a place where some animals live there. Now it's a place. Tree hollow. Tree hollow. Great. Now we have the honeybee. Honeybee. And honeybee, it's an animal. Honeybee. We have the hive. It's the place where the honeybees live. The hive. And finally, we have a crab. A beautiful crab. And it is an animal. Okay, here we have the vocabulary for this unit. Animals, animals and places. Animals and places. Animals and the different places where they live. Now, we have to go to the notebook and we will use the worksheet that I sent you to work. Where do different animals live? In that worksheet, we have to cut the different animals and cut the different habitats. And we will write the date in the notebook. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. And I already put the title, so you have to put the title. Where do different animals live? Okay. Put the title here. Where do different animals live? And here I have the different animals. I have the different animals. Duck, armadillo, otter, fawn, a little foxy, and a beautiful butterfly. Now I have the habitats, the river, a tree with a tree hollow, nest, another hollow, fields, and flowers. So, we will paste the animals with their habitats. For example, flowers and butterflies. The butterflies live in the flowers. put the butterfly with the flowers. Okay. Now let's see the foxy. The foxy lives in the fields, right? Foxy in the fields. Now he will have the own. Let's look for the tree. With the tree, he lives in the trees. The owns lives in the trees. Excellent. Now we continue in the other page. We have the otter, and they live in the rivers. This animal is so cute. Otter in the rivers. Now we have the armadillo, and he lives in holes. In the fields too. In holes. And finally, we have the duck, and he lives in the nest. That duck has lots of eggs. And we finished. We finished with the word today, with the animals, the different animals, and where the different animals live. Those are the adverbs, these ones, and these ones are the animals. So let's see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue studying the animals. Bye bye. See you.